Hello, my name is Fedir. I'm a sophomore and a dual degree student majoring in political and environmental sciences here at UNF. For my spring break, I had the opportunity to join the Florida Field School with IERE. During that trip, we went to Wekiva Springs State Park in Central Florida, where we stayed in a cabin overnight. This was a great experience because I had the opportunity to learn more about the Florida San Gil ecosystem and its fauna. The Orlando wetlands was a very captivating experience as well, as even though I lived in Orlando for 2 years, I've never heard of this man-made water treatment facility before, and I personally found it very interesting. We also learned about like a POPCAPS for recovery after years of pollution and how it affects the St. John's River today. In addition to learning, we had fun. We kayaked over 6 miles and saw at least 100 gators along the way. If you think about choosing this as your spring break trip, I promise you won't regret it. What I personally found extraordinary during my time there is the opportunity to learn more about the environment that surrounds us all in Florida, regardless of your major or field of interest. It is an awesome addition to class learning because you can check your knowledge on real life flora and fauna, and the last is connections. In just 4 days I met a lot of incredible people there with various interests but the same curiosity for Mother Nature. I highly recommend you consider taking at least one trip during your college career, and I hope you'll find it as beneficial as I did.